My name is Mohammad Nafis. I am from Govindpur. Today's topic is exploitation. We all are know what is exploitation. In my opinion, exploitation is an act of selfishly taking benefits or group of a person to other group of a person to profit them or otherwise benefits oneself. And if we are under the exploitation, a lots of exploitation is coming under the, but we describe only few topics. If we are talking about the child labor, if we are talking about the child labor, in the child labor, most of the people are came at the came in the village side, and they took a labor child who are able to work in his factories and in his hotels, and they do not pay him proper money, proper income, because when a manager always want to take whose people, those who are not know about money, about anything, about his rights what are made by the governments, and they always and manager are always provide him a very less amount on his hard work. Like that, he always provide him 1,000, 2,000, 3,000. It is also increasing exploitation day by day in our society. You can say that you can see in the in the hotel and tea stall and any other shops. You mostly seen there most of the child labor are working over there, and he always demand for more money, but their manager are not provide him money as his work, because he know that he is a children, and he do not know anything about the money, about the future, about the anything about his family. And the government are made the Article 23. If we are talking about the Article 23 under the government are give to all of us, and child labor they give to rights about child rights, because he takes action against the tea stall, against the any factories, those who are not provided him as a proper salary. And if we are talking about the most of the people are not hire any people, those who are educated, because he know he demands so much salary, a lots of salary, and I did not give him, because he know that child is present here, and I gave any other side, then I took any children, and I take him and work in our hotel. So in my opinion, it is under articles, it is Article 23 coming under 3. And if we are talking about the traffic humans, if we are talking about the traffic humans, there is in the includes men women and children are buying and selling each other. The means those who are able to sell him, they can sell, and he do and make do hard work from her, because he know that I am selling him from the market, I am selling him from any other place, then he want to take so much work from his like that. If we are talking about the parliament's rights, it's made in 1996 parliament. We are fight against the traffic humans in 1996. And if we are talking about the article, Article 23 24, under the 24 article, most of the lots of the rights are made by the government for us, for all humans, those who are live in the in other sector, like that factories, like that companies, like that any other sector. Then their local zamindar forced him to work on in his field without paying money him, without paying handsome salary, and he always try to give him like the local salary, like that 5,000, 7,000, 6,000, like that. And he always and most of the zamindar tenants to give render to him. And those who have not any job, those who have not any work in his life, and they do not do any work in present time, but they always demand him, you are paid me your payment without any hesitation, you have work or not, it doesn't matter. It is also increased exploitation in our society. If we are talking about the women's exploitation, most of the women's exploitation work as a devdasi in a house, and they do not take proper salary in his life. And most of the domestic work is spread over there, like that, vessels do visas and making foods and caring children and other things. Most of the problem were faced by the women in present time as a like of devdas, and most of the people are not give him proper salary. If we are talking about the shops, small shops like that, gumti shops, most of the people are sell the smoking materials, and most of the people are get cancer from this. But Gumti shop did not stop to sell the like that intoxicating materials, those who are those harms for all us and those who are taking it. But in present time it is increased day by day in our society. And most of the, if we are talking about the any private shops, any other shops like that branded, we are always goes in the any shops, branded shops, there is a price, or he sold in 100 rupees, but he stuck the other scanner, those who are 250 rupees, and we will have to pay because we are going in the branded. That this is also become an increased exploitation in our society. And our government provides me most of the lots of the rights against the exploitation in our society, but people are not follow him, and people do not take action against any other, because people are also increased exploitation in our society. That's all, sir.
Thank you very much.